Good morning! It's our day 2. Nakapag-breakfast na kami. May libreng breakfast dito sa hotel. Ayan, si MJ. Pagod kasi pumunta kami yung Yodobashi. Ayan, so unbox na natin to. May bago akong camera. Actually, first time. Diba? So we can capture the moments dun sa mga travel natin. Okay? So, humili kami ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Ayan. So, mala YouTuber. Oops. Anong laman? Unbox na natin. So, yan. Ano kayang laman nito? I think ito na yung buo. Diba? And ano pa yan nandito? Sa box. And what else? Mga guide. Grabe no? Walang warranty. 24 hours lang daw yung warranty. Okay. Yan. So, namin yan. So, ano ba to? What's this? Since first time ko magkaroon ng gantong camera, saan to ginagamit? Parang cover. I think cover. Yeah. Yung expert, ayun
Protective cover.
Ah, okay. And ito na. I think ito yung main. Nakikita ko to sa mga YouTuber eh. So, mukhang maganda yung camera nila. So, we'll try to use. So, ayan. So, eto, I think this is the main unit. And then, what else? What's this? This is the extension. Parang extension, battery extension. And then, what's this? Another. Ito.
I think.
Another extension. Or if you want it shorter.
Yeah.
That's a battery. Another battery, no?
Or when you're charging it.
And another one. Dami.
It's the stand.
Ah, that's the stand. Okay. You will use it. Ganyan. Nakatayo. Yan. Later, gagamitin ko na kagad yan. And, ito yung favorite. Ano to? Ha? Yan. Mic. And tapos, another sikat.
What's that noise?
It's the cable.
That's a cable. I think I can connect it sa cellphone.
USB, yeah. It's just USB-C.
Yeah, I can download. And I think this is okay. Cable panghawak. And nakita ko to. Panglagay daw to sa
So we'll
this
check
one.
later.
Dito, here. Sa mic. Noise suppressor. Ganun lang. So it's quite para siyang medyo maluwag. So you have to be careful, pwedeng malaglag. Yan lang. So we will use this later paglabas namin para we can share more videos. Ang dami na naming trip sa Japan. Pang ilan na to? Ako siguro ang ilan na ba?
6, 8?
No, probably for me, mga 10. No? So, hindi ko na maalala. Pero this is the first time na magstay kami sa Fukuoka. Okay? And this is the first time that we will explore the Kyushu region. Yan, okay. So, later uli, mamaya mas maganda na yung camera. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're going out. We're going to
Canal City.
Canal City. Yan. So, tingin tayo ng rubber shoes.
Yeah ba?
Okay, so labas na natin ang ating maaraw sa labas. Sana hindi tayo mangitim masyado. Nag-sunblock naman. Okay. So we'll show you the way. That's the Hakata Station. Yeah. Pero, hindi kami dyan pupunta. Saan tayo pupunta? Maglalakad tayo going to Canal City. Na-change yung itinerary. Hindi na tayo muna magtotosu. Baka later. Hindi ganon ka excited si Daddy sa Tosu. Yeah. Kasi oops. Hindi ka ganon ka excited sa Tosu. Yeah. Kasi hindi masyadong madaming
Yung maraming shops.
yung mga gusto mong shops.
Yeah.
So we'll just go
And we're going to check something first.
Okay. Plus, masakit yung shoes na suot ko. So, hanap muna ako ng mas comfortable na sapatos. Para mas masarap maglakad. Yan.
We're going to Canal City. Right there.
Dito yung Canal City. MJ. So windy. Si MJ. And we'll show them. Ayan. Okay. Sa Canal City. Ang ganda ng mga flowers dito. Look, MJ. I don't even know what kind of flowers it is. Everything is art. That's the Canal City.
Okay, second floor South Building.
Okay, we'll go to second floor. This is good enough.
42 pa. Gusto ko yan. Mas gusto ko yan. Kaysa sa mas bagay yan.
So, we are here. Nagaya si MJ sa mga merch. Ganda daw dyan. Ay. Oh,
It's so soft though. Touch.
you want some? You want to get?
No touch.
Yeah, nice. How much?
But like,
You should look around muna before you choose. Ay, this one MJ yung cut.
Mas gusto niya yun sa ano.
Cute.
ano to?
Mas gusto niya si Totoro.
Eto.
And then
Hindi.
Totoro
It's not
smiles.
so good.
It's how. It's how.
You choose and you look around first and then you choose. Who's that?
It's Kiki. This is Kiki's delivery service. Dad.
Is that also a character?
Yeah, it's
What's the name of the character?
where?
So, cut na naman.
You already have the black cat before, si Neo, di ba?
I have 2 black cats actually.
Okay.
See? Oh wait, look how that one he smiles.
You cannot return or exchange anything after that's defective product. Happy girl. MJ is a happy girl. This is Ikinari steak. Yay! Which one you like, MJ? Okay, so mag-order na tayo.
Tenderly, 200.
Ayan. So, Daddy. Ano sa'yo, Daddy? Tenderloin. Ay, no, not tenderloin. Rib-eye. Kay MJ, tenderloin. Tenderloin. Well done. Ay, medium well and medium. Okay, we will enjoy our steak.
Kita tayo mas.
Itadakimasu. With the sauce. Really? What's the real?
literally says
That's too
spicy.
salty for me.
That literally says spicy sauce. That.
Yeah, so spicy burger.
Ako sino nagsasalita?
Which one was too salty for them?
But it's okay.
What is
Sweet.
What is that?
Barbecue.
I don't know.
Put it here, put it here.
This one is even better. Top. Feeling ko mas masarap pa to eh. Feeling ko mas masarap pa to.
What's yours?
Kasi masyadong
What's dad's?
laman. Masyadong ano to. More steak.
Why are yours always better?
More steak. Later ulit, I will enjoy our steak. Nabusog. So, nabusog ka ba, MJ?
Yeah.
Nagustuhan mo? Nagustuhan mo, Dad, yung steak?
Yeah.
Masarap?
But we'll try something else next time again.
Oo. Mas masarap yung rib-eye. Ang alat ng sauces. Bakit that's why they're selling extra sauces, diba? Parang ang alat, hindi ko siya, or mahina talaga yung tolerance ko sa salty food. Ayan.
Di ba?
So, 7,330 lahat yung binayaran ko. Yen. So, mga magkano yun? 3,000.
To buy one. Boba?
Boba.
No?
Ayaw mo na? Ayaw na niyang boba. Kala ko gusto mo kanina. Too lazy to walk?
No. To drink.
To drink? Sige. Para mailagay muna natin yung mga binili natin para hindi tayo maraming dala. Look at the dogs. So cute. Ganda ng mga dogs. Not also the flowers. Sobrang nice. So, galing kami kanina sa Canal
Canal
City. Canal City. And, bumili kami ni Daddy ng shoes. On Cloud daw, kasi Azure. IT. Ayan, so, sinuot ko na yung sa akin kasi yung dala kong Skechers ay masikip, masakit sa paa for some reason. So, I think dahil mas maliit siya than the usual size na kinukuha ko for rubber shoes. Kaya, medyo masakit sa dulo. Ayun, so, try ko to. Sabi, para ka raw naglalakad sa cloud. Kaya on cloud. Tama ba, Daddy? We'll see. Okay? And ngayon pa lang kami pupunta sa Tosu, which is magti 3 p.m. na. Pero hanggang 8 o'clock naman daw yun. And wala naman kaming plan masyadong maraming bilhin. So, I think okay lang. 30 minutes from here lang naman yun, from Hakata Station. So, later, pagdating namin doon, update namin kayo. Okay? So, later!